Today, we're going to create a film burn effect, that beautiful vintage glow you see in old movie reels. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut Mobile and tap your clip to select it. Now, go to the Effects tab and choose Video Effects. Next, scroll down to the Hits category. Here, look for an effect called Reel Burne. This is the one that gives your video that authentic film burn look with glowing light leaks. Tap on it to apply. Once the effect is added, tap it again to open the settings. You'll see two main sliders, up or buzz, speed and intensity. The speed slider controls how quickly the burn effect moves across your video, while the intensity slider adjusts how bright and strong the light burns appear. If you're going for a subtle cinematic feel, keep the intensity lower, but if you want a more dramatic music video style look, turn it up, and that's it. You've just added a film burn effect in CapCut Mobile using the Reel Burn effect. Play around with the settings to match your video's mood. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick CapCut editing tutorials.